Okay, what is your name?
Not.
I'm talking to you. What is your name?
Not.
Ano ba? I said, what is your name?
I forgot.
Ano you forgot? It's impossible you forgot your name. What is your name?
I said I forgot.
Ano you forgot? I want you to concentrate. Come on, you say, my name is... Come on.
My name is.
Very good. Come on, concentrate.
My name is.
I said, concentrate.
My name is.
I said, concentrate.
My name is concentrate.
Okay, so how about can you recite your ABCD?
Yes.
Make sure you recite your ABCD because we have lots of kids. Come on, recite.
A, D, C, D, elementary.
Don't say elementary, That's why kids is laughing. I give you one more chance. Recite and go.
A, D, C, D, elementary.
Okay, you see what happened, I give you one more chance. Recite.
A, D, C, D, elementary.
About, can you speak English?
Of course.
Make sure you speak English, because we have lots of kids here speaking English. Come on, what is the English of paso?
Dog.
Clap your hands is right. What is the English of pusa?
Cat.
Clap your hands is right. What is the English of baka? Okay, what is the English of... What is the English of baka? Corned beef. Ano ba yan? Okay, what is your favorite breakfast?
I like hot dog.
Very good. About in lunch, what do you like food?
Hot dog.
Ano ba yan? About in evening, what do you like food?
Hot dog.
Ano ba yan? About drinks in the morning?
I like milk.
Wow, delicious.
Like hot dog.
Kadiri ka, ano ba? About in lunch, what do you like drinks? Soft drinks, very good.
Like hot dog.
Ano ba? About in evening, what do you like drinks? Coffee, very good. Coffee?
Yes. Like hot dog.
Ano ba? About what is my name?
Your name?
Yes, my name.